Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. We are home from Eastern North Carolina. We covered that show in Havelock, North Carolina last weekend. Spent time with family this past week. We got home. Amanda and I just kind of chilled Saturday and Sunday. And I'm about to jump right back on that flathead here in just a minute. But before I do that, I want to do two things real quick. I want to share with you my birthday haul. And I want to give a quick shout out to Model Cars Magazine. Stick around. Hey guys, up front I want to give a shout out to Model Cars Magazine. I think we all know about Model Cars Magazine. If you don't, you're missing out. Great builds, great interviews, kit reviews, techniques, tips, new products. I love it for new products. But they also have a section in here called channel surfing. And with all of the content creators on YouTube now, they started covering that. And of course, this promotes the hobby as well. And hey, the Hobby Dude 007 channel made channel surfing. So thank you, Model Cars Magazine. There's my radiator, a couple of other bills, and oh my, there's Dr. Hoobie. But some coverage about the channel and promoting the hobby, and that's what we're here to do is promote it. And let me tell you, I couldn't be more honored to be sharing this issue with the great Doug White of Model Car Muse. And if you're not familiar with him, head over to Doug's channel and check it out. Just a prolific builder and just an awesome guy too. So Model Cars Magazine, Tim, Greg, all the guys there, thank you so much for the coverage and all you do to promote the channel, to promote the hobby as a whole. We really appreciate it as the builders, so thank you very much. Okay guys, let's get to my birthday stash. You're gonna love this. Okay guys, I want to start off sharing my birthday haul with probably what is, I think, my favorite one this year, and you'll see what I mean here in a minute. And it's from my buddy Tony Roberts. And guys, this had to take a lot of work. But check this out. This was on my Facebook when I got up last Friday the 8th on my birthday. Is that not cool? And he even got me in there too. But this had to take some work to put together, and Tony, thank you so much. As you can see, my wife printed it out, and she's going to pick up a frame for it. So this will be hanging in my office. He even looked up the Hemi Head font, which I use on all my videos. And I love this, where the Winston sticker would be. He's got the Hobby Dude 007 channel logo. So this took a lot of work. This is really cute. And Tony, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. This made me laugh, and at the same time, it is just cool. This is very unique, and I really appreciate this. So this is going to be framed and hung here in the office. But thank you so much, buddy. I really appreciate this. And I'm still getting a kick out of this. A lot of fun. Thanks again. Okay, next up, my wife got a few things that I was not aware of in our last visit, but to Petty's. But check this out. It's the Superbird t-shirt. And by the way, you can still go to the museum gift store and get these things. I think they carry up to like 3X in most everything. And they may have more than that. I haven't seen them, but really cool stuff. So I got me a new tee there. And also, check this out. With the 71 Roadrunner coming out soon, got a postcard. And notice that it is, if I can get it, autographed. So that is cool, and I may get that in a frame too somewhere, because y'all know that if you've been watching the channel any length of time, the 71 the 70 flat nose and the 71 are my all-time favorite Petty cars. So isn't that just awesome? Really cool. And another sign for the shop, and it's the old school. They've been out of these for a long time, but they had them fully restocked in my visit last week, and I got this one for my birthday too, and it is, of course, autographed by the king himself. And that's a pretty heavy metal sign, but this will be going up in the shop as well. They have a lot of tin signs up there. Really, really good stuff. Next up, I've got the photo etch set for the 7071 Charger. I've been putting off getting one. I have no clue why, but now I have one, and I've got one ordered. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and order one more of these for another build, as well as the 73 through 76, I think it is, but the newer one anyway. But isn't that cool? Awesome. Great photo etch. And if Model Car Garage does it, it's right. You don't have to worry about that. Next up was yet another 71 Charger. This one was a gift to myself because I never can get enough of these things. We did a box opening on this one, and y'all know the story on that, but had to have another one, so there we go. And also, something I'd been mentioning that I was looking for, and I was just looking for the right price because I'm cheap, but Plymouth Prowler. I've got something in mind for Atlanta for this one, so had to have one, and I got one. And this is one of those unique, really unique cars. And you know, as I saw them going down the road back in the day, I think 96, 97, I only saw one ever pulling the trailer. The rest of them were just had the top down and just cruising. But just a wicked looking little car anyway. But like I said, I've got something in mind for this puppy. And lastly, I ran across this, and this was another one of those birthday gifts that I was, okay, go ahead and get it. But if you remember the service trailer, and it's really honestly just the trailer that comes with most of the, like the vans and the kits. But the trailer kit, there's your wheels, tires, there's the fenders, the tread plate, which you can't see from this side, but the tread plate, ramps, and it even has the stuff for the tire holders. But I think I'm just going to build it as a trailer, and I'm thinking I might have one of these sitting on it. I was thinking about doing one out of box, and I thought, yeah, right, you out of box. And man, look how old this is. Even the instructions are, oh, hey, there's some decals in here. I missed those earlier. Check it out. All right. Yeah, the old yellow instructions there. And like I said, I probably won't use the tire rack on this one. I don't know. I don't know yet. But, man, can you ever have enough just good old trailers? And this is that AMT blue printer, which, of course, those haven't been around in a long time, the blue printer series. Or if I'm wrong, call me out on it, guys. I don't think I've seen them around in quite a while. But, you know what, the decals actually don't look that bad. Of course, they've been folded up in the yellow instructions, and maybe that's kept them a little protected there. But cool stuff. But that's my birthday haul, guys. More goodies. If I can just get enough time to get it all done. Well, guys, that's it. I think. Let me. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for supporting the channel and tagging along with us on our adventures in modeling here. And we appreciate it very much. Head over to the Teespring if you haven't visited in a while. There's some new stuff over there. And, oh man, I love this thing. Is that not cool? Again, Tony, thank you. Can't thank you enough, obviously. And, but hit the Teespring store, check it out. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And with that being said, guys, let's get back to this flathead right now. I'm excited. All right, God bless, guys. Have a blessed and awesome day, and we will see you shortly in the next video. Thanks, guys.